is the first day that we are doing dry beans. We're doing a field of navies, and this is the field I showed earlier that we were spraying that got hit by hail. Yeah, these are the first ones we're doing. It's hot. It is it's like, ooh, there's a nice breeze out here actually, but it's like 80 degrees. It takes a lot longer for the bin on the combine to fill up for dry beans than it does for like corn or wheat. So in the meantime, I'm sitting here at the end of the field. Some updates from the farm. Our shed is now finished. We got the cement in it. We have stuff parked in it. It's looking good. It's freaking huge. So that's done. We've been doing early dig sugar beets like once a week, 30 acres. It's pretty dry out here right now. We haven't gotten rain for like probably 2 months. Since the end of June was like our last nice rain. We have like a tenth maybe every 2 or 3 weeks, and that is not enough. It's 80 degrees right now, and there's cracks in the ground like 6 inches deep. We measured one the other day. We were doing beets and the ground is so dry it's like hard to pull the harvester. So actually yesterday with this tractor I was pulling the harvester through the field, and that's the first time we've ever had to do that. Not normal. This is like the most dry harvest we've had in like forever. The beets probably aren't even growing anymore because there's no water. It takes 3 things for them to grow: carbon dioxide, water, and energy from the sun, and we don't have any water. So we have lots of energy from the sun but no water.
Just one gravity. registering pressure, temperature, currents and so on, and transmitting the readings to the surface, it is equipped with small television cameras. plan to start the manned descent at sunrise. It won't be just one gravity. It won't be just one gravity.
Okay, we're just finishing up. There's a bee. There's a bee. These aren't too bad. Want to see them? The problem with dry beans is that they're so low to the ground that the header just pushes over the beans sometimes. Like that, it got pushed over. I mean, it's not doing too bad of a job, but it does leave a lot of beans. But that's just something that happens with dry beans because the pods sit so low to the ground. Even this is like pretty low. You usually would get this one, but I don't know, this one's just low.